Hi. Today we will watch how to check graphics card temperature without any external software. So on the keyboard, simply press Ctrl-Shift and ESC. It will bring Task Manager. You can also do it from here by right-click. Now, come to Performance. Then at bottom, GPU. Here you can see the temperature is 47 degrees Celsius. The graphics card is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 12GB. My GPU fans are not spinning. But this will make my fan spinning and the GPU will be cooler. The temperature is dropping. If you want to know about the software, then let me know in the comment box. I will make a video in this software. Subscribe and inspire us. Goodbye.